guys, welcome to my channel again, and today we are going to make lilac color. For this we need a container, a brush, some water, three colors, red, blue and white. So let's get started. To make lilac color, first we'll take half part of red color, half part of ultramarine blue color, and mix to make purple. And after that mix white with it. I am using first half part of white and then I'm again going to use half part of white, so total is the one part of white I am going to use. And here is our lilac color ready. Let me show it to you by applying on the paper. So if you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to know how to make another colors like this, please watch the color mixing playlist on my channel so that you will get to know how I have made many colors on that playlist. There are almost 25 colors, so go and learn something new, something interesting. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day, and please subscribe because I know most of the people don't subscribe to my channel, so please do it. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.